Okay, this is a short tutorial regarding the PatchMap SD companion operating as an extension on MapBuddy. So if you have an SD card, a PatchMap SD card from us, this feature that you see here will be what you get at no cost, and you can purchase this separately. Now, how do you know, or how do you get this information, this extra capabilities? It's under the Manage Extensions. You'll be able to put your PatchMap code in there, which you can, by the way, move from location to location, from one computer to another. In other words, this code is the all-important code, and your email address. And you can take it off of one computer and put it on another without talking to us at all. So what is it that you actually get? You have different types of maps, the same as you would typically with Google Maps itself: map, terrain, satellite, and hybrid. The key things, though, are in the search engine. The searches, you can type in pretty much anything here in terms of addresses, etc. Even some rural addressing that we have in our data set is available to you. You can get at any facility, either by a land location, PNG location, or DLS, or the LSD, or by searching for facilities. So, for instance, I could search for a particular facility by name, and that facility, then I'd be able to put it and use that. And well sites, I should be able to type in any kind of LSD land location, either bottom hole, in other words, ERCB or AER designation, or a surface location, both in PNG, and you'll notice what becomes active when you tag this. So I can search for and find anything. Let's just give it a try here. I'm just typing them in. Although there's drop downs, so you could dial them in, and you do a search, and it should find it almost instantly. If I click on it, you'll see that it takes me to that location. Now, in this case here, it doesn't show very much, but I can save a waypoint there, and I can save the boundary around the outside of it. Once it gets it, there it is, save the boundary. And of course, if I was to change my map to show the Google Sat, then I can actually see, yep, there's a well there, and there's the road into the location. Now, with MapBuddy, once I've created a waypoint, or a track for that matter, in a handheld, going to a handheld Garmin, I can push that information to the GPS by hooking the GPS up to my computer. It automatically will recognize it. It will see it there. And you just say, well, I want all points and tracks to be pushed to it. And an older GPS handheld, you have to actually talk to it dynamically. It doesn't automatically do it, so you have to tell it, I want to talk to you now. But apart from that, that's how you would move stuff back and forth. So you could find several of these locations, one after the other, get a whole pile of tracks or waypoints there especially, and then push them to your GPS, and off you go. And that is pretty much the tutorial.